on the place of gx y. After it you swap y into x. I place on the I place x on the place of y. I replace y by x and x by y. So put y x over here is, put y over here is. Now make y as subject. I shift this 6 towards left hand side and then 2 on other side. So y is made subject and the answer is what? X minus 6 over 2. This is G inverse, x minus 6 over 2. So when you have to find inverse, you first place y on the place of function fx, gx, hx, whether what would be there. So I place on the y on the place of gx, then swap. It means put y on the place of x and put x on the place of y. I exchange y by x and exchange x by y. Now after it I made y as subject, shifting this 6 on other side, then 2 on other side. Now this is question 19 of paper 1 to October-November 2021 related to O-level syllabus D. Now this is questions about the circle angle properties. Now what is being asked, find the value of x, which is over here. If you look at, this is tangent at the circle. What is this? This is circle. What is center at the of the circle? AB and AC. So value of x, if you look at, what is this angle? 36. So see, this is the central angle and this is the angle at segment. The angle at segment, if you look at, this is angle x, which starts from B and C, and from B and C, this is the angle at center. So this is the angle at center, this is the angle at circumference or segment. So both have relation. This angle is double of this angle. So if it is x, so this is 2x. Now look at, what is this? This is tangent. What is this? This is tangent. Or what is this? This is the radius at the point of contact. The angle between tangent and its corresponding radius is of 90 degree. So this angle is of 90 degree. Now if you consider this triangle, so you know that the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180. So 2x angle plus 90 angle plus 36 angle is equal to 180. Therefore 2x is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 36. You will get how much? 54. And 2x. So x is equal to 54 divided by 2. So your answer would be 27 degree. Now the first part of this question, only it has single one part जो है. तो question 19 answer is 27. Now here is given what? A matrix, and here is power minus 1. It means you have to find the inverse of given matrix. तो given matrix का आपने inverse निकालना है. What is given matrix? This is given matrix. You have to first find its determinant. Its determinant is equal to what? 3 multiplied by 2 minus 1 multiplied by minus 2. The answer would be 6 plus 2, answer would be 8. So its determinant is 8. Now we find its adjoint. So adjoint would be equal to, these two numbers will be exchange. 2 will take place of 3 and 3 will take place of 2. and change the sign of these two numbers. So 1 becomes -1 and -2 becomes 2. Now this is the adjoint of this matrix. Now you have to find its inverse. Inverse is equal to adjoint, sorry, divided by its determinant, which is over here is 8. So 2 by 8, 2 by 8, minus 1 by 8 and 3 by 8. Doing cancellation of this one, it becomes 1 by 4. The answer would be 1 by 4, 1 by 4, minus 1 by 8 and 3 by 8. So this is the determinant of, sorry, inverse of this question. Now I move to next question. So this is the next question, which is 21. Here is a cumulative frequency diagram is given. So on this side there is cumulative frequency and on this side there is mass. So there is cumulative frequency and there is mass, and the A part, in A part it is said use the diagram to estimate median. पहले मीडियम जो निकालना, मीडियम इज दैट डाटा विच डिवाइड्स द गिवन डाटा into two parts. Median is that number which divides the data into two equal parts. So median is actually middle term. So for middle term you have to first find its location. What is location? Location you can find with the help of summation f over 2. How many eggs are there? 120 eggs. You can find summation f over here also, it is 120. So you have to divide 120 by 2. So answer is 60. 60 is the location of the term which is called median over here. So we look at on cumulative frequency, this is 60. So I draw a line with the help of scale and find the corresponding value of 60 along x-axis. No, this is I draw wrong, sorry. So this is median. So look at, there are 10 chambers from 40 to 50 or 50 to 60. Each chamber have value equal to 1. So this is 50, so this is 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. The median has value equal to 58. So if you look, say that median is 58, you can write over here is 58. Now interquartile range. Quartiles divides the data into 4 equal parts. If you look at, this is data line. I divide this line into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, sorry, I draw it again over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. If this line represent data, then I have divide data into 4 equal parts. This mark represent Q1, this mark represent Q2, this mark represent Q3. So in this way data is divided to 4 parts. One part, this is the second part, this is the third part, this is the fourth part. These Q1, Q2 and Q3 are quartile. So this one is called lower quartile. This is called upper quartile, or this is called Q2 or mid quartile, but often it is called median. No, so Q1 and Q3, Q1 and Q3 are called. Q1 is called lower quartile, Q3 is called upper quartile. As quartiles divide data into four equal parts. No, location of Q1, where we will find Q1. Q1 I will find by using this relation, which is summation f over 4. And Q3 I will find by using this expression or relation summation f over 4 into 3. Now 120 over 4 gives you 30. I locate 30 over here, is this is 30. So 120 over 4 into 30, the answer is 90. I will locate 90 over here, this is 90. Now I find the value of Q1 with the help of 30. I use pencil over here, it is quite easy, but you must use scale, otherwise you may get wrong answer. So over here is Q1 is 51. Q1 is 51. Now I find Q3, this is 90. I move over here to and then move downward. This is 60, this is 61, 62. Now Q3 is 62. Sorry. So Q1 is 51, Q3 is 62. Interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. That is 62 minus 51. Answer is 11. So by subtracting Q1 from Q3, we will get interquartile range. You know summation f over 4 or summation f over 4 into 3. With the help of these three formulas, I often say you find the location of Q3. Where would Q3 be located? It will be located at 30. Where would the Q3 be located? It would be located at 90. So I use this 30 on cumulative frequency and 90 on cumulative frequency and find the value of corresponding. The Q3, Q1, which is present at 30, it has value 51, and Q3, its location is at 90 on cumulative frequency part, and on 90 we find the value of Q3, which is over here is 62. With the help of these two expressions, you find the location of the Q1 and Q3. No, next is what eggs are described as large if their mass is 63 grams or more. So if eggs has mass 63 grams or more, then they are described as large. So how many of these eggs are large? So if you look at find 63 on x-axis, this is 60, 61, 62, this is 63. This is 63, and 63 above 63, above than 63, this has this part. If I move on cumulative frequency axis, I have a pain in my eyes, so I find it hard to draw the lines over here. So I feel it the Q3 has value 100. 100 or no, sorry. So you have come over here. This is what? This is 99. Move, as it is said, mass is 63 gram or more. More mean above part. You have to take this portion of cumulative frequency axis. So this part has value equal to, how can you find it? 120 minus 99. The answer is over here is what? 21. So 21 eggs have the mass 63 or more. So in this way, when there is more, you have to move in the upward direction. To find this portion, you have to subtract this answer, which is over here is 99 from 120. Now we move the next question. No, this is the question 22 of paper 1 to October November 2021, related to syllabus O level B. No, this is quite easy question. Solve over here is, this is 27, this is 9. You factorize 27 by this way, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. 27 has factorization equal to 3 into 3 into 3, it means 3 3. If I write on the place of 27 3 3, then this left hand side of this equation becomes 3 power 3k. Now if 9 is the square of 3, I write on the place of 9 3 square. As both on left hand side and on right hand side, both expressions have same base, I cancel these two bases. No, the powers over here is exponent over here is 3k, here is 2. So 3k is equal to 2. The k is equal to 2 by 3. The value of k is what? 2 by 3. Now I move on B part of question 22. So this part, this expression has negative power. First I change the sign of this power. For this purpose I have to take the reciprocal of 8. It is x8 over 16. When I take the reciprocal of this expression, this fraction or expression, the power has now become positive. Now I give this power to every factor inside the bracket. I give it 1 by 4 to x8, I give 1 by 4 to 16. Now you look at 16. The factors of 16 are, it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, it means 2 4. So on the place of 16 I write 2 4 and give it to the power 1 by 4. So what is left behind? x2 over 2. अब हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ मूव करते हैं. क्वेश्चन इज 23. हेयर इट इज सेड y इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू x plus 1 whole square. I write this mathematical statement, this worldly statement into mathematical form in this way. When there is inversely proportional, then this part of this sentence is written underneath as a denominator. I take the reciprocal of this one over here. When I put equality over here on the sign of proportionality, I have to write some constant which I take over here is. So this is the relation, then this is the equation or formula. Y is equal to k over x plus 1. I put the value of x and y over here. X is equal to 1, y is over here is what? 5. So on the place of y I write 5, on the place of x I write 1. So 5 is equal to k over 2 square, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 square is 4, 4 is multiplied by 5, the k has value equal to 20. The question to be asked over here, what is determined over here, find the value of y when x is equal to 9. Now I use this formula over here, I write it again over here and put the values of x and k. X has value equal to 9 over this part and k has value 20. So I write 20 on the place of k and write 9 on the place of x. So 20 over 9 plus 1, 10. 10 square is what? 100. The answer would be 1 by 5. So y has value equal to 1 by 5 or 0.20. Now this is question 24. Here are given two functions fx and gx. So in the first part, it is find f3. It is said to find f3. So f3 mean you take the function fx over here and what is this 3? This 3 is the value of x. What is it? Value of x. It means I write 3 on the place of x. This is value of 3. Over here is x, over here is x, over here is x. I write on the place 3 on the place of x. Now I do calculation. 3 square is 9, 9 2s are 18. Sorry, I write over here is 2. 7 2s are 14 and 4. So answer would be what? 36. 36 or so. 7 2s are 14. What is this? This is the value of x is 3. I write over here is 2. Sorry. So this is 3. 7 3s are 21. 25 and 18. So 43 is the answer. Now to find g inverse x. So you have to find the inverse of g. So what will you do? You put on the place of gx y. After it you swap y into x. I place x on the place of y. I replace y by x and x by y. So put y x over here is, put y over here is. Now make y as subject. I shift this 6 towards left hand side and then 2 on other side. So y is made subject and the answer is what? X minus 6 over 2. This is g inverse. X minus 6 over 2. So when you have to find inverse, you first place y on the place of function fx, gx, hx, whether what would be there. So I place on the y on the place of gx, then swap. It means put y on the place of x and put x on the place of y. I exchange y by x and exchange x by y. Now after it I made y as subject, shifting this 6 on other side, then 2 on other sides. Now I have made y as subject. Now this is the inverse of gx. Now look at in this part, it is said fx minus gx is equal to 1. I put the value of fx, which is over here, is 2x cube, 2x square plus 7x plus 4 over here, 2x square plus 7x plus 4. And on the place of gx, I put its value, which is 2x plus 6. I write over here is 2x plus 6 within the bracket. Because due to this negative sign, all the sign within bracket would be changed. So this 2x becomes negative 2x, this 6 becomes negative 6. Now I solve it. So 2x square, 7x minus 2x, answer is what? 5x plus 4 and minus 6 gives you answer minus 2. I shift this minus 1 on it, this side. Now do factorization. What is this? I have first multiplied 2 by minus 3, it becomes minus 6. Now I find the factors of 6, those factor I will find which will give you 5 on subtraction. If I take this pair 1 and 6, when we subtract 1 from 6, I will get 5. So I will choose these two numbers and break midterm into two parts, 6x minus x minus 3. Taking 2x as common, x plus 3 there is, taking minus 1 as common, x plus 3 is equal to, now x plus 3 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1 by 2. The answer is what? Minus 3 and minus 1 by 2. Hope आपको you have got it quite easily. Oh no, there is one question left. One.